This is how to transfer files between your Android phone and Mac wirelessly. So let's get started. So the first step is to open your browser on both devices and then search for LocalSend. So search for it on both. And this is the app which we're going to use. So this is free to use and it's open source, which means that the code is available online and your data is safe. And we have two options now. One is to install this app on both devices, or else you can use it on the web. So if you want to download it, just click on downloads on both devices. But for now, I'll show you on the web. But even if you download it, you'll have the exact same options. So now on both, just click on local send web. And now it's open. So one thing to ensure that both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Or else you can start a hotspot from your phone and connect your Mac to that. Then once you reach this page, on each device you'll see your name. So my Android's name is Cool Tomato and my Mac is Efficient Blueberry. And in these green boxes, I can see the other device's name. So let's say I want to transfer from my Mac to my phone. Then here on my Mac, I just have to select Cool Tomato and I can see it's an Android phone on Chrome currently. So I just select that. Then over here select what you'd want to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer this. So this is the image. And now just click on upload. And it's done. In a matter of seconds, it's downloaded onto my phone. And I can open it. And as you can see, the exact same image has come with no change in the quality. So the same way, you can transfer more files. And let's say I want to transfer from my Android to Mac. Then on my phone, I'll select my Mac's name. So it's this one. After that, click on Files. And from here, you can select what you'd want to transfer. Again, I'll send back the same image. Click on Select. And it's done. On my Mac, I've got this option to download. I'll just click on Allow. And it's downloaded. I can just open it. And as you can see, the image has come here. So this is how it works. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.